What if I told you that leftover fabric can turn into the coziest PJ set you'll ever own? Today, I'm making a V-neck, short-sleeve pajama set using fabric scrap I received from a company. Simple, sustainable, and perfect for everyday comfort. For this project, you'll need a fabric, a t-shirt pattern, a pair of shorts to trace, a marker, thread, tape, and scissors. Before starting, make sure to iron your fabric properly. First, let's cut the shorts. I'm tracing an existing pair of shorts that fits well for me. You'll need 4 pieces in total, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. One important detail to remember is that the back crotch curve is always longer than the front. This extra length gives more room for movement and ensures a comfortable fit when you sit or bend. Once traced, cut all 4 pieces neatly and make sure to iron the fabric before. Don't be lazy like me. Now let's move on to the t-shirt. I already have a pattern, so I am folding my fabric on the fold, which gives me one front and one back piece. I've added 1/2 inch seam allowance all around, and at the bottom of the t-shirt I added 1 inch so I can double fold and stitch the hem. While cutting, I first cut the back neckline, then I open one layer of the fabric and cut the front neckline with a V shape. If you don't have a pattern, no worries, just take a t-shirt that fits you perfectly, trace around it with seam allowance and follow the same stitching steps. For the sleeves, I added 1 inch at the bottom for folding and stitching and 1/2 inch seam allowance where it joins the top. I have also cut 1 inch wide strip for the neckline binding. You can also use a 2 inch or 3 inch according to your wish. Let's start stitching with the shorts. First, place the back pieces right side together and stitch the crotch seam. Do the same for the front pieces as well. Once both crotch seam are stitched, open them up, place the front and back piece right side together and stitch the side seams. Next, stitch the inner leg seam to complete the basic short shape. Now let's add the elastic. First, join the elastic ends to form a circle. Divide the elastic into 4 equal parts and mark them. Do the same for the shorts as well. This helps distribute the elastic evenly through the shorts. Place the elastic on the shorts, leaving about half-inch allowance, and stitch all around the shorts. Then fold the elastic inwards, covering the raw edge, and give a top stitch to secure it neatly. Finally, fold the bottom of the shorts twice and stitch to finish the hem. Now for the t-shirt, first join the shoulder seams. Next, attach the sleeves to the armhole. Once the sleeves are attached, fold the sleeve hem twice and stitch it. Now join the side seams of the t-shirt. Now finish the bottom hem by folding it twice and stitching it. Now let's finish the neckline. Fold the neckband strip in half and attach it to the neckline right side together. After attaching, fold it inward and give a top stitch to secure it. One mistake I made here was starting from the V point. For a clearer finish, always start stitching from the shoulder seam instead. It helps the neckline sit better. Always cut the neckband strip according to the neck circumference and fold it into half and stitch the edges of the neckband in beforehand and then attach it to the neckline so that it will have a cleaner and neat look. I used a different colored thread because I didn't have a matching one, but if possible, always use the thread that matches your fabric. And here's the final PJ set. If you feel like it looks a little plain, you can always add ruffles to the shorts or details on the sleeves or hem of the t-shirt. This set is comfortable, sustainable, and made entirely from leftover fabric. Proof that the scraps can still become something beautiful. Please try this pattern and let me know how you feel about it. That's it for today. If you're into fashion, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what I should upcycle next, and I'll see you in the next video.